So welcome to the Jaxson Maximus tailor shop. Today I'm going to show you how to properly pack if you have to fold your garments, let's say into a carry-on. And let's say you have to bring a nice woolen suit like one of our Jaxson Maximus suits here with a pair of pants and a jacket. And then I'll show you how to pack your shirt so it minimalizes the wrinkles that you will get. And hopefully when you get to your hotel, your destination, you'll be able to take them out, put them on a hanger, and maybe do a light press if needed, but they're going to be relatively wrinkle-free. Okay, so a couple tips. Number one is let's start with the pant itself. And so I'm going to move the jacket out of the way. The pant you want to pack simply by making sure all the buttons and the zipper is undone. Second, you want to fold the interior so you have a nice side view of the pant just like this. Okay, and you're going to fold it basically into threes. So one, and then two. Okay, and so that's pretty much how you want your pant to be. And then I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to show you the jacket next. Okay, so the jacket, the best way to do a jacket is actually inside out. And if you're traveling as well and you're going to put your garment or take, let's say, your jacket off and put it into the overhead bin, this is what I recommend also. So you're going to hold the shoulders of the jacket like this, inside out, and then you're going to fold them in. So the reason why you do that is it will minimize the wrinkles that you're going to have on the jacket itself. Okay, beautiful pink lining on the pale blue here, and you're just going to take your hand and literally fold it in half, and then this is ready to go. You notice these are the shoulders of the jacket, and this is going to be the best way to survive and get there nice and neat. Okay, and so that's the pant, and then the jacket in one nice stack. Now, what is going to be your friend if you save these? Let's say you get your dry cleaners and you have plastic. Okay, so plastic will also reduce wrinkles inside the garment bag themselves. And so if you have those, you're able to put them in just disposable plastic that you get back from your shirts at the dry cleaners. I keep a little basket of these in my own personal closet at home. So whenever I do travel, I have them. And they're ready to go, but you just want to layer them in there. Nothing, secret to this, but this will do wonders when you're packing. So you have them in plastic, and this is ready to pack. Okay, and now I'll show you how to do a shirt. So the first thing is you want to take the hanger out of the shirt, and you want to make sure the front placket has all of the buttons. Buttons, okay? The sleeves unbuttoned, but all the placket buttons unbuttoned, okay? Next is you want to lay the shirt on its back by its shoulders, okay? And then the sides of the shirt itself, you want to fold in, and what you're looking to do is fold the shirt so here's the edge of the collar, is you have about 2 inches in there, and that's the fold that you're looking to do straight down the shirt itself. So you have about 2 inches off the base of the collar, and then you want to fold the sleeve right along the side of that seam there as well. And then you'll do the same thing to the other side, about 2 inches off the base, as you're going to make the fold. Fold the shirt in. And then do the sleeve so it just aligns and goes right down the side. Okay, so 2 inches on either side of the collar, you're ready to go. Then you're going to go to the bottom of the shirt and you're going to make about a third fold this way. Okay? And then you're going to take that and you're going to go all the way to the top and meet at the shoulders, just like this. And then you're going to have the shirt ready to go inside, again, plastic. And so if you're able to, you can put 2 shirts. The next shirt you want to put with the collar face down this way in the back of the shirt. And then you have 2 shirts folded like this. And again, I'll take a piece of plastic. The plastic is just another trick because it will help minimize any wrinkles that you get. And I'll put them in plastic if possible. Sometimes you don't have that and it's not possible, but this is definitely a trick that will help you get there looking wrinkle-free. And then you simply stack. And so from there you put those in your suitcase, but that is how to properly fold a jacket, a pair of pants, and a shirt for travel.